Good morning students. Welcome to you today's grammar class. Today we are studying about the parts of speech. So what is the parts of speech? Actually uh, speech means होता है टॉकिंग करना. ओके बेटा, तो हम टॉकिंग जो करते हैं तो टॉकिंग करने के भी क्या होते हैं डिफरेंट उसके पार्ट्स होते हैं. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. डेफिनेशन ऑफ पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. वन ऑफ द groups that words are divided into, for example, noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, etc. That is called the parts of speech. Means वर्ड्स शब्दों का ऐसा समूह जिसे हम क्या करते हैं नाउन, प्रोनाउन, वर्ब, एडवर्ब, एडजेक्टिव में हम क्या करते हैं डिवाइड करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. ओके बच्चों, the types of the parts of speech is there are main 8 types of parts of speech. I make you I make a diagram and types of parts of speech. There are main 8 types of parts of speech. First is the noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So there are main 8 types of the parts of speech. Now we are study about the one parts of the parts of speech. Then first of all we study about the noun. What is the noun? In the first classes we study in your previous classes you study what is the noun is the name of any person, place, things or any idea. It is called noun. What is the noun? The name of any things, any place, any person or any idea, that is called the नाउन. संख्या. नाउन मीन्स होता है बच्चों संख्या. किसी भी व्यक्ति के नाम को, वस्तु के नाम को, स्थान के नाम को या किसी थॉट्स को, किसी विचारों को हम क्या कहते हैं संज्ञा कहते हैं. तो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ नाउन्स. नाउन, पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग्स एंड आइडिया. ओके बच्चों, तो ये देखा हमने कि देखिए नाउन को कैसे हमने डायग्राम करके आपको ये सिंपल वे तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट इजीली. नाउन इज डिवाइडेड इन द पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग्स और एन आइडिया. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ नाउन. एग्जाम्पल, Sudhir is a good boy. Okay, so you look at the name. Sudhir is the name and Sudhir is the noun. Here Sudhir is the noun. Okay, because what we study, noun is the name of any person, so Sudhir is the name of the person. Sudhir is a good boy. Another example, Nagpur is a big city. Here Nagpur is a name of place. Okay, the Nagpur is a noun. An apple is red in a color. Apple, what is the apple? Apple is a thing. Okay, the apple is a noun also. And honesty is the best policy. Honesty means it is the ideal. Okay, yeah, honesty is the best policy. So these are the examples of the noun. Understand, my dear children, what is the noun? Noun is the name of any person, place, things or any idea. Here Sachin is a noun, here Nagpur is a noun, and apple is a noun, and honesty is a noun. So lots of things in front of you. We can say any things, any person, any place. Doctor is a noun, lawyer is a noun, teacher is a noun, and nurse is a noun. So that is also the noun. Pen is a noun, duster is a noun, classroom is a noun, ground is a noun. Okay, second is the pronoun. In the parts of speech, second part is the pronoun. Pronoun means होता है सर्वनाम. What is the pronoun? Definition of a pronoun. Pronoun is a word which comes instead of noun. It is called a pronoun. तो pronoun क्या है बच्चों? pronoun जो नाउन के बदले जो आते हैं, ओके, प्रोनाउन इज अ वर्ड विच कम्स इंस्टेड, इंस्टेड मीन्स होता है के बदले में, नाउन की संज्ञा के बदले में जो शब्द आते हैं उसे हम दैट इज कॉल्ड द प्रोनाउन. एग्जाम्पल, रवि इज अ बॉय, रवि इज इन 8th standard. Ravi is a boy, Ravi is in 8th standard. Here Ravi is a noun, okay, and here also in the another sentence Ravi also come, Ravi is here also a noun. तो हमने देखा यहाँ दो दो बार नाउन ही आया, बट व्हेन वी चेंज रवि इन अ प्रोनाउन, तो यहाँ पे ये चेंज कैसे हो जाएगा देखते हैं. देखिए, रवि इज अ बॉय, he is in at the standard. Here Ravi is a noun and we change here Ravi in place of he. Okay, he को हमने क्या किया है, रवि के प्लेस पे चेंज किया है, तो रवि is here the he, रवि के प्लेस पे he आ गया and here he is a pronoun. Okay my dear children, वैसे ही गर्ल्स के बदले हम क्या कर सकते हैं, सी कर सकते हैं, बॉयज़ के बदले ही कर सकते हैं, एंड प्लूरल फॉर्म के लिए हम दे कर सकते हैं. तो देयर आर प्रोनाउन आई, वी, यू, दे, ही, सी, इट. तो दीज आर ऑल आवर प्रोनाउंस. ओके, नाउ third parts of speech is a verb. What is the verb? Verb means kriya. Verb, there are main two types of a verb. One is called the action verb and second is called the state verb. So what is the difference between the action or the state verbs? Look at here, I make a diagram and action. What is the action verb? So some activities one which can we do means run is, it is our physical activities. Okay, action verb means our physical activities. So which is our physical activities, that is come in the action verb. Run, swim, play, walk, talk, go, speak. So that is all our physical activities. So that is all, that is the action verbs. And what is the stative verbs? In the stative verbs there is no physical activities. यहाँ पे कोई physical activities नहीं होती है. फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ मीन्स हमारी जो शारीरिक, हम जो शारीरिक क्रियाएं जो करते हैं दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द एक्शन वर्ब, जो हम एक्शन के साथ करते हैं. ओके, एक्टिंग मीन्स जो कार्य जो हम कर रहे हैं गतिविधि के साथ में, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द एक्शन वर्ब. एंड स्टेटिव वर्ब इज द अपीयर, लव, हेट, एंग्री, amizar, that is also the stative verb. So that is the stative verb. So verb, there are main two types of a verb. One is the action verb and another is the stative verb. Some example, the boy is Bombay is a big city. Bombay is a big city. Here is a verb. Okay, Bombay is a big city. She danced on the stage. Danced, here danced. What is this? Is the action verb. Here dance is a verb. He loves his mother. So he loves his mother. Here loves is a stative verb. So that is the difference between the action or the stative verbs. So these are the kinds of the parts of speech. We read the noun, pronoun, verb. Okay my dear children, and in the next class I will explain you other parts of a speech. Thank you. Till then, take care.